shiny goodness is the Roadster Sport street muffler from Goodwin Racing. This is for a Mazda Miata ND. I'm going to be putting it on my ND2. What makes this a street muffler versus a race muffler? We've got a small muffler section. We do also have a removable baffle, which I have removed because I figure I will want a little extra noise. But what really sets this apart from lots of other mufflers is this Hemholtz chamber, which will make it so that when I want farts, like I'm hitting the gas, farts come out. When I don't want farts, like when I'm just cruising, the Hemholtz chamber will take care of all that extra drone. And now we're gonna see what the original exhaust sounds like, go over a quick install. It should be real easy, and then we'll compare it to the new muffler. Underneath the ND, stock muffler, 2 bolts, couple hangers, should be easy peasy. Quite a difference in size, weight, but overall the stock muffler is only 28 pounds. This is 14. 28 is really not that heavy for a stock muffler, but hey, a few extra pounds taken off isn't bad. Gonna do the little bit of a review of the Roadster Sport exhaust, the street version for my ND. This mid cruising sort of speed. Hopefully it passes the wife test. We shall see. Throaty. 6-gear cruise. feels a little bit peppier as well. Here, I'll do it from a